wish I had invented the blue jeans. They have expression, modesty, sex appeal and simplicity, all of which I ever wanted in my clothes. Well, wondering what's with the blue jeans? Hey there, my name is Nupur और आज मैं आपके लिए लाई हूँ कुछ खास. Well, म्यूजिक और डांस रियलिटी शोज तो आपने बहुत देखे होंगे, लेकिन क्या कभी फैशन डिजाइनर्स पे प्रैक्टिकल टैलेंट हंट शो देखा है? नहीं ना?
Time has changed and so has the scenario of Indian textile industry. और अगर इंडियन टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री की बात की जाए तो एक नाम जो एक पहचान बन चुका है वो है NTC, National Textile Corporation, a Government of India undertaking, one of the leading textile corporations in India. NTC भारत के कोने कोने में बसी ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को एक नए रूप में लेकर आ रहा है in the form of a chain of contemporary showrooms, Brand India. And for this, NTC wants to enroll the best and the freshest creative talent in the fashion and design industry from across the country, under the guidance of India's ace global designer, Raghavendra Rathore. और इसके लिए NTC ने लॉन्च किया प्रॉमिसिंग यंग डिजाइनर्स का सबसे बड़ा सर्च, NTC's Young Designer Hunt. The hunt was inaugurated in a ceremony on 26th of December 2012.
Sometimes I see very good designs coming out of this country, but not being recognized globally. Raghavendra Rathore himself leading the charge. He and this initiative will attract a lot of our young men and women to become designers, and through their imagination and creativity realize our larger dream to be a global leader in designing. It's time to create and promote globally Brand India.
Wonderful to have this democratization of design leading to this incredible project which was long due. I'm very hopeful, and I really hope under the owners of the Textile Ministry, I think it'll be a fantastic
After
start.
the successful launch of the talent hunt, a TV commercial was also launched.
Could imaginative designs turn real? Could creative fantasies take wings? Could wild dreams come true? And now it will. NTC is looking for the most promising designers across India. Send in your designs. And you could be among the top 10 winners to work with me on NTC's Brand India.
Young Designer Hunt by National Textile Corporation.
देश के अलग अलग शहरों से आई कई सारी एप्लीकेशंस में से बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स को शॉर्टलिस्ट किया गया और ग्रैंड फिनाले के लिए दिल्ली बुलाया गया. आज यहाँ ग्रैंड फिनाले में इनकी किस्मत का फैसला होगा.
देश भर से आए ढेर सारे एप्लीकेशंस में से हैंड पिक्ड किए गए बेस्ट टैलेंट्स who gonna compete against each other for a place in top 10. इनकी जिंदगियां होने वाली हैं हमेशा के लिए चेंज because they will get an opportunity to work with none other than the ace global designer Raghavendra Rathore. Are you excited about the show today?
Yeah.
Where are you from? What's your name?
I'm from Pearl Academy, Delhi, Dipali.
Okay, Deepali. So, are you looking forward to working with Raghavendra
Yeah, of course, I
Rathore?
love the designer, and it's been always a dream to work with designer, with Raghavendra especially because he being so like minimalist and very functional with his garments. So,
Wow.
it's a great opportunity. For
Absolutely.
Me.
All the best to you. Hi, you from Chandigarh, right?
Yeah, I'm in Chandigarh.
Okay, what brings you to Delhi? Of course, the talent hunt. How thrilled are you?
I'm really excited for this.
So if I ask you what's your strength when it comes to designing, what would that be?
My strength, I think I love to surrounded by glamour and all these things, fashion. So I really love to be.
So it's the glamour that attracts you.
दिल्ली में पारा चढ़कर 45 डिग्री पर पहुंच चुका है, फिर भी दूर दूर से आए इन पार्टिसिपेंट्स का जोश ठंडा नहीं पड़ रहा. रजिस्ट्रेशन डेस्क पर इन्हें मिला NTC की तरफ से टी शर्ट और गुडी बैग. लेट्स सी how prepared and excited they are.
Yes, I will win the show.
I will. I'm going to impress you.
I just want to jump.
Jump? Oh wow, then do that right now. You have the opportunity. Come on, let's see how.
ये सब युवा डिजाइनर्स राघवेंद्र राठौर के साथ काम करने के सपने को लेकर यहाँ आए हैं और इसको लेकर वो काफी एक्साइटेड हैं।
Excited contestants?
राघवेंद्र मेरे फेवरेट डिज़ाइनर हैगे ने बड़ा चिर हो गया मैं उन्होंने फॉलो कर रही हूँ लाइक करती हूँ I want to work with him like anything so I'll put my 100% and I'll work with him anyhow.
I think she's more in love with Raghavendra than the design. Okay, how about you? You're from Delhi.
Yeah, I'm there from Delhi too. So
Okay.
my strategy would be that I would just show him my bestest of design skills. I think that should impress him. Let's hope for the best.
And the man arrives. जी हाँ, राघवेंद्र राठौर.
And well, here comes the man himself, Raghavendra Rathore. Hello, Rathore साहब, कैसे हैं आप? Nice to meet you too. Well, NTC's initiative, क्या कहेंगे इस initiative के बारे में? The Young Designer Hunt.
I think it's a wonderful opportunity for young talent.
Right.
It's pan-India. And it gives me the ability to see what India's talent is all about in one place.
Yeah, absolutely. And well, the contestants are really excited to finally work with you if they win. How thrilled are you?
Well, I think it depends on the credibility that they bring to the table.
Right.
I really hope they're genuinely hardworking and have intentions to stick around and make a difference in the entire project and not just about one day today.
Right.
So I'm very hopeful.
So are you going to be a tough judge today?
No, not really. I'm a very logical judge.
Absolutely.
If the work is good, then they will certainly be the shortlisted people.
So any message to all the contestants who are really excited and nervous at the same time?
No, I think believe in yourself. I think it's important to have faith in your talent and your skills, and may the best people be selected for it.
Absolutely. I'm sure all the contestants are really excited to be, part of your team. I hope you also have a great time with them. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Probably the first and the only chance that I have seen in my career where the government actually reaches out to shortlist hidden talent across India. So you have been chosen out of a lot of people, and congratulations to you for that. Today the journey is going to be much more steep. We are looking for people who can be people who we can invest in and create some sort of sense of leadership in design in terms of the NTC project. So I wish you all a warm welcome. Try to be as confident and show your true abilities in the processes that will be shown to you. Thank you again.
कंपटीशन की शुरुआत असेसमेंट राउंड से हो चुकी है। देखना है कि कौन-कौन इसमें बाजी मार जाता है। इस राउंड में कंटेस्टेंट्स को एक ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट दिया गया है जो खुद राघवेंद्र राठौर ने तैयार किया है और वो पर्सनली इस टेस्ट को मॉनिटर भी कर रहे हैं। ये टेस्ट टफ होने के साथ-साथ काफी इंटरेस्टिंग भी है क्योंकि कंटेस्टेंट्स के चेहरों पर कई एक्सप्रेशंस एक साथ देखने को मिल रहे हैं। कुछ को ये टेस्ट आसान लग रहा है, कुछ को मुश्किल, और कुछ को कुछ ज्यादा मुश्किल। कुछ थोड़े हैरान हैं और कुछ मुस्कुरा रहे हैं। Some are confused while others are amused. अब देखना ये है कि राघवेंद्र राठौर की कसौटी पर कौन कितना खरा उतर पाता है। राघवेंद्र और उनकी टीम जुट गई है कंटेस्टेंट्स को इवैल्यूएट करने में। आफ्टर ऑल वो भी नहीं चाहते कि उनके हाथ से कोई डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट छूट जाए। वहीं कंटेस्टेंट्स पहले राउंड के बाद काफी नर्वस हैं और साथ ही एक्साइटेड भी, क्योंकि इस इवैल्यूएशन के आधार पर कंटेस्टेंट्स को 2 ग्रुप्स में बांटा गया है, जिनका अब बारी बारी से इंटरव्यू होगा। जी हां, अब कंटेस्टेंट्स का सामना होगा खुद राघवेंद्र राठौर से।
I'm not sure about the students, but I'm nervous to see some challenging designers and young, talented people.
Well, the interview round is about to kickstart. I'm sure the contestants are all very nervous and excited. And I have with me here contestant number 1, Kunal. How excited and nervous are you?
Equally excited and equally nervous because
Okay.
I've been part of the design industry and this thing would be a new level altogether.
Well, considering that you were the first contestant, you know,
There's a certain level of nervousness, definitely.
which is quite, you know, justified.
True. The enthusiasm was there to come down. So first contestant is definitely a nervous this thing.
And well, number 1 is always a good number, so I hope you managed to
I end up being
impress.
number 1 too.
Sorry?
I end up being a number 1 too.
Yeah, absolutely. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Hi. What's your name?
Kunal Raheja.
And where are you from?
I'm from Delhi. I graduated from textile design in 2008.
What is this? Is this your logo?
कुणाल रहेजा पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं राघवेंद्र राठौर को अपने डिजाइन से इम्प्रेस करने की।
Is there anything else you want to show me in that? Or this is
और राघवेंद्र भी उनसे इम्प्रेस्ड लग रहे हैं।
great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hi, so we have contestant number 1, Kunal, right here. You have already gone through the interview. How was it?
It was pretty pleasant and I would say went well. And
Okay.
yeah,
So, how much would you rate yourself out of 10?
I would give it about an 8.
Oh, that's a good score, rather. So, you think you would be able to make it to the top 10 today?
Let's leave it to him actually. I would not be the right person to judge that.
Okay, so let Raghavendra decide that. All the very best, Kunal.
कुणाल ने तो खुद को 10 में से 8 मार्क्स दे दिए, पर क्या बाकी के कंटेस्टेंट्स उनके स्कोर को बीट कर पाएंगे?
Where are you from?
From Manipur originally.
दिल्ली की अंजलि राणा और मणिपुर के सिंह की सिंगिंग का जादू राघवेंद्र राठौर पर कितना चल पाता है, ये तो रिजल्ट ही बताएगा। क्यों ना तब तक सिंह से थोड़ी सिंगिंग करवा ली जाए।
Hi, sing. So, you sing a song?
Yeah, I do sing song.
Okay, can you hear?
No, I cannot sing.
Come
right
on,
now.
to impress Raghavendra, maybe.
Okay. Can I hold this?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Just one line, right?
Yeah, one
Back
line,
off.
2 lines.
Okay, 2 lines. Back off loneliness and hello tenderness. I've been waiting for your call for so long.
Did you sing that one for Raghavendra there in the introduction?
No, not really. Just saying for all of the contestants here.
Okay, wow. So, was he impressed with your designs?
He said it's fantastic work. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that.
Okay.
Mark, yeah.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Hi, contestant number.
Hi, 11.
11, and you are?
I'm Nidhi.
Nidhi from Delhi.
From Delhi itself.
So, how thrilled are you?
I'm very thrilled. I'm very excited because I'm currently pursuing my studies and this is the first interview that I'm going to give in my life. So yeah, I'm very excited for it.
राघवेंद्र के साथ काम करने का कितना मन है?
बहुत ज़्यादा मन है because it's a great platform to work with NTC and Raghavendra itself because he'll be assisting me and personally, not assisting me but
you would be doing that rather.
Yeah, I would be doing that rather, but he'll be training me personally, so it's going to be a big achievement. So yeah,
I hope it does.
Yeah, it
all
will
the very
definitely.
best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
कुछ लोग राघवेंद्र के सामने बात करने में घबरा रहे हैं और कुछ करण ने तो मौके का पूरा फायदा उठाया।
Here comes Karan, दिल्ली का दिलवाला।
Finally.
तो दिल जीत लिया अंदर?
I think so. Like it was good, and finally I met him.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे के साथ।
It was nice, you know. Meeting him personally, it was a big thing for me. Seriously, I just love his work, and it inspires me a lot. So this is like winning or not, that's okay. But you know, meeting him, that's perfectly fine. I'm happy with that.
So we're gonna give that message to Raghavendra. We would say, ठीक है, जीतना
Please
ना
don't do
जीतना,
that.
it's fine. मैंने मिल लिया बस
That's
काफी
just
है।
just for exaggeration. Don't do that.
Okay. Hi, contestant number 17.
Hi.
You are?
I am Devi Prasad Chawal Singh.
बहुत लंबा नाम है यार।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
क्या नाम है?
देवी प्रसाद चौहाल सिंह।
देवी प्रसाद
चौहाल सिंह।
चौहाल।
It's CHALSINGH.
देवी प्रसाद चौहाल।
It has 21 letters.
कितने फैमिली मेंबर्स का नाम है इसमें?
एक ही फैमिली।
कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप अंदर इंटरव्यू के लिए जाने से पहले?
I was very excited. I know him very much. So it was not.
इंटरव्यू होने वाला है आपका अभी, कितने एक्साइटेड हैं, कितने नर्वस हैं, क्या दिखाने वाले हैं?
बिल्कुल,
जरा अपना डिजाइन लीक कर दीजिए यहाँ पे।
Okay, I am going to show him this work.
Okay.
This I developed for one competition again in 2013.
That looks quite fashionable.
Yeah.
That's his design for the rest of the contestants. Steal it if you want to.
Yeah.
Is it worth stealing?
Yeah, totally. I am not going to
judge it.
Yeah.
He's gonna do that inside. So you go in and let it be judged.
Okay.
All the
Thanks.
अरे ये क्या, देवी प्रसाद ने अंदर पहुंचते ही अपना इक्का राघवेंद्र के सामने रख दिया। पर वो उससे इम्प्रेस हुए कि नहीं, वो तो सिर्फ राघवेंद्र को ही पता है।
Thank you, sir.
What can I say? It's Raghavendra Rathore.
It's Raghavendra Rathore, I'm sure. So how confident are you about your designs?
I'm confident about my work. It's just that it's such a huge, you know, like.
He is making me nervous, yeah.
It's a huge platform. I'm bound to be a little nervous, right?
Yeah, बनता है इतना nervousness तो बनता है, लेकिन ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही actually. All the very best. I hope you managed to impress him. Thanks. The guy with 4 names, I forgot.
It's Devi Prasad Chawal Singh.
Devi Prasad
Chawal Singh.
Chawal Singh. So कैसा रहा interview?
Interview was very good. I was a bit of nervous. He asked me a lot of questions. So he asked me where are you from, he got through my, saw my work. He told me it's good portfolio, you have a very
और
good
ये
portfolio.
design impress कर पाई?
बिल्कुल.
The leader designs?
He was like, oh my god, he was like that.
Okay.
It was a good experience. It was cool.
COVID के पूरे
Where are you from?
Sir, my dad's in a transferable kind of job, so I've switched places. I'm basically from Uttaranchal, but my ancestors come from Himachal Pradesh.
What do you consider yourself?
हर किसी का अलग अलग स्टाइल और अलग तरीके, पर मकसद सिर्फ एक, टू वर्क विद NTC अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ इंडियाज एस ग्लोबल डिजाइनर राघवेंद्र राठौर.
I was personally a huge fan of Mr. Alexander McQueen, John Galliano, people who like drama, this is how it all starts basically. I'd sketch something and then I get inspired from it.
I think you're very gifted in terms of the Western world.
Yes.
But unfortunately, where you're sitting for, you'll be driving a bus. You'll be driving a bus, not a BMW in Paris. So be realistic about your approach, because you have a very intense originality, hugely intense. I haven't seen this for a long time. Your imagination is where I see the talent. If you're open,
I am open.
Then we will have a debate and come back to you. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Thank you again. Thank you for the time.
This was an honor, sir. Thank
My pleasure.
He was very positive and very nice. I mean, couldn't have been better.
Wow. What were your designs like?
Do you want to see them?
Sure. I'm excited too.
I would show you the small thing. This is my illustration portfolio. This is what I'm quite famous for, actually.
Okay, you look nervous, but you actually are not that nervous.
Not anymore.
Not anymore after the good interaction.
No, not anymore.
Okay, that's the illustration that he has shown to Raghavendra Rathore, and we hope that he's really impressed.
Yes, I hope that I get through.
All the very best.
Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Love you, give me a 5.
You are?
Ashna from Guwahati, Ashna Bhartia.
I'm Siddharth and I'm really excited.
From West Bengal, yaad hai mujhe.
From Siliguri.
From Siliguri.
Yeah.
Staying from Lucknow.
Yes.
तो इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रही हैं?
हाँ जी.
कैसा फील हो रहा है?
Excited, going to meet Raghavendra. It's really amazing. I've seen his work and I want to see him personally and get his comments on my work.
So the excitement of looking at his designs is over. Now the excitement to
meet him.
Hi, and I remember your name is Nupur.
Hello.
Hi. कितने excited हो?
I am excited.
Finally interview के लिए जा रहे हो अंदर?
Totally. Waiting for it throughout the day. So I hope it goes well.
सब अपने आइडियाज से, अपने डिजाइन से राघवेंद्र राठौर को इम्प्रेस करने में लगे हुए हैं, जिससे कि वो टॉप 10 में अपनी जगह बना सकें। After the hectic interview round, contestants are bonding over lunch. शायद आगे के राउंड की स्ट्रैटेजी प्लान कर रहे हैं।
Basically, I'm a craft-oriented person, so I really want to promote craftsmen. So,
NTC के टॉप 10 यंग डिजाइनर्स की तलाश अगले एपिसोड में भी जारी रहेगी।
Moment when we are announcing 10 winners, we start. Are we ready?